Hello. The camera position is different than normally. You see a lot of my pullover? No, vest. But okay, it's time to paint. Actually, I cut this from my 60 by 90 centimeter painting. Why? Because it's a big one and I'm almost at the end of the bottom part. I will show you later how far I am. And this is completely at the other side. And yeah, I like to have my numbers and my colors close with me. And yeah, that's why I cut it. I have my tray. I put this in a box, and yeah, this is what you get if you just throw everything in one box. But no problem, you can just remove it and it's okay. I have my tweezers, I have my scissor, I even have my light pad. And then I bought something new. I think a lot of you already saw it on AliExpress. And actually I was looking for something like this for a long time now, since I'm starting diamond painting, and I could not find anything like this. And then it just was there. So let me show you. I bought this, and it's an amazing, amazing is a big thing, but it's a nice system to store the diamonds all together. It has 60 little cans. Let me just show you one. This, and it fits 4 or 5 bags in it. So yeah, it's pretty good. Let me show you what I'm making now, because I said I have a 60 by 90 centimeters. And actually I already made a video about this painting a couple of weeks ago, maybe 2 months ago. I did not upload a lot of videos. I did not do a lot of videos because I had my operation. One moment, then I'm back, sorry. Yeah, so I had my operation. Everything went well. The thing they removed, and everything is done now. Yeah, so this is it. Let me put this under my canvas, so I will not blind myself and blind you. So let us start. Actually, I do small pieces of diamond painting now, of small pieces. I do small parts, because actually it still hurts, and when I'm painting for 30-40 minutes, I'm really done. Not that I'm bored doing it, but the pain is too much for that moment, so I have to stop. But now I'm going to show you really how far I am with my painting, and then I'm stop talking because you're not here to listen to me, or you are, I don't know. Just say what you want. Yeah, come with me. I'm showing you now what I did, and then I'm showing the part that we are going to do now. Actually, it's a lot of blue, but stop talking, Stefan. So yeah, here you see the 60 by 90, what I'm doing right now. Here is my diamonds storage box, the things that I use, my tripod, okay, and the rest of my computer. But this is what we did till so far, and it has a lot of colors. And this part, it was actually sticked here up like this, and I cut it off because it's more easy to have it at the part where I'm busy. So yeah, this is it. This is the water from the lake, the reflection in the water, the trees, a little, yeah, I don't know how you call this, but it's standing in front of the hotel. This is the bar of the hotel, the restaurant here. We have a restaurant somewhere here, but it's for later. These are the honeymoon suites. Yeah, and the rest is the hotel. 8 stories high, 3's over here. And yeah, when I see it like this, in the beginning the hotel actually is white. And here you have a lot of blue diamonds in it and pink ones. And I was thinking, I don't know if it gets really nice, because yeah, to have a lot of blues in it and pink, I was thinking, yeah, no, it's not what I expected. But actually from far away like this, it's really nice. And the blue is also because the picture is made by nightfall. Not really nightfall, but when it starts to get dark. Actually here it's less dark than here, and when we are continuing over there you will see that it will be a little bit more dark, so the sun is going down on that side. And for now we are just going to do this little part, and like this it has a lot of blue, so it will be fast. And it's 20 diamonds by 30, I think 35, so it's not a lot. And yeah, why I do small parts is that it still hurts in my arm when I paint a lot. So, and before my surgery I stopped somewhere here, so actually I did a big part after the surgery, but not that fast. So yeah, this is how it looks now. We did this little part at the bottom, and this what you see is the protection layer of the glass. So this has to get removed after when he is completely finished. But yeah, this is the end results for now. I hope you liked my video. If you have any questions or you want to know anything, just drop me a message in the box below, or just visit our Facebook group and subscribe to it and talk to us over there. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like it, just thumbs up. If you want to follow me, just follow me, and don't forget to push the bell button to get any push notifications for any new video that I post. So thank you again for watching. See you real soon in a new video, and enjoy your own diamond paintings. Thank you, bye bye.